my name is Abdullah. I am your channel for student of class 9 to study online. Subject means chemistry. I will upload different subject. Okay. Topic of my lesson is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is a branch of science that deal with the carbon containing compound. Basically, it is the study of hydrocarbon. First topic is clear to you. Topic 2. Basically, what is the study? What is hydrocarbon? I told you, basically it is the study of hydrocarbon. Means what are hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon are the compound which contain both hydrogen and carbon both. Topic number 3. Types of hydrocarbon. There are 3 types of hydrocarbon: aliphatic, aromatic, alicyclic. Aliphatic hydrocarbon is divided in 2 parts: saturated and unsaturated. It is formed from carbon ring or carbon bond. It formed chain or ring. It formed saturated and unsaturated. Saturated is formed from single carbon bond. Unsaturated is formed from single, double and triple. CnH2n plus 2 is the example of alkane. It is saturated. It is also called paraffin. Okay, you can see in this way. It is also called paraffin. You can see alkene is called olefin and alkyne is called ethynyl. Their formula, you can see that CnH2n plus 2 is alkene formula, CnH2n minus 2 is alkene formula, and CnH2n minus 2 is the example of alkyne. Okay, it is about aliphatic. Then come into aromatic. Aromatic hydrocarbon are the compound which contain 6-membered carbon ring. Means it include benzene ring. You can see in this figure C6H6 benzene ring. It contains 6 carbon ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means it contains 6. Toluene is also example of benzene. C6 it contains 6. Means it is also aromatic hydrocarbon. Then come on to the third type, alicyclic. Alicyclic hydrocarbon are the compound which is formed from carbon ring is closed. Aliphatic carbon is unclosed and alicyclic carbon is closed. You can see in this figure. CH2 cyclopropane, it is closed. You can see any gap in that figure. Cyclobutane and cyclohexane. It is 3 pictures which involve 3 figure, which is the example of hydrocyclic. Means it is an example of alicyclic hydrocarbon. Okay, you understand it? Then fourth topic of my lesson is homology series. The series of compound follows similar structure but different from CH2. You can see in this figure methane CH4, its general formula. It is different from alcohol CH3OH, CH3Cl. I have told you that it is different from CH2. Thus, everyone is different in this series. You can see that CH3, CH5, C3H7, C4H9, and C3C2H6 and C3H7. It is their general formula. Then come on to the topic number 5. Isomerism is come from same, and merism come from part. Isomerism is the same or composition of element which contains same molecular formula but different molecular structure. You can see in this figure CH3, CH2, C2H3. It contains same formula. You can see that it contains 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, and 7 plus 3 10. Okay, you understand it? Its formula is same but its structure will be different. Its structure and its structure you can see in this figure. Okay, it is isobutane. Then isopropane, it is another example of isomerism. It contains C5H12, so it is contains carbon 5 and H12, hydrogen 12. Okay, you understand it? Then cracking. What is cracking? Cracking is the process in which large molecule, means you can see the figure. I have a ball which is so heavy. If I break into several parts, it will be cracked. So like in that way, it is from smaller fragment. This process called cracking. Large molecule can break into 2 or smaller fragments. This process called cracking. Okay. C18 and H32. It break into 8 and 8, means it is large molecule. If we heat it, it is break into several fragments. Okay. Then reforming of petroleum. Petroleum is refined. Its formula is that you can see CH3C2 bracket 6 CH3. It is straight ring. If we break in, it becomes branch ring. It is a branch ring. It is called branch ring, and it is called straight ring. Okay, you understand it? It is a process called reforming of petroleum. Then see in this table, methane. Number 1 is methane, CH4, methane. 8 molecular formula of alkane.